Let's build this logic out in Excel. I'm going to say equals and then type if, open parentheses. Now it's time for my logical test, so I'm going to make a reference to cell C2, and then I'm going to use the equal symbol and type in quotes raining to indicate that I want the value of this cell to be the text raining. If that's true, I want to output the text rain jacket. And if it's false, then I want to output the text t-shirt. I'm going to close my parentheses, hit enter, and since it's raining, I'm going to wear my rain jacket. If it is sunny, it switches to my t-shirt. So in this way, you can use if statements to make your spreadsheets more dynamic and incorporate some more complex logic. In some cases, there are more than two logical paths that you want to go down, and in that case, you might use something called a nested if statement. Let's say that first you check and see if it's raining. If it is, you wear your rain jacket and that's done. But if it's not, then you want to know the temperature. Is it warm, like greater than 60 degrees Fahrenheit, or is it cold, less than 60 degrees Fahrenheit? If it's warm, then you might wear your t-shirt, but if it's cold, then you might want to wear a sweater. In Excel, it looks like this. You still have your logical test, and then if that test is true, you'll perform the action in the second argument, which in this case is your rain jacket. In the third argument, you tell Excel what to do if the test in the first argument is false. In this case, the action, if that first test comes out as false, is to perform another if statement. So then this starts over. Inside that second if statement, we have another test. Is the temperature greater than 60 degrees? And if it's true, then we'll wear a t-shirt. If it's false, the sweater. Then we close that if statement and put a second close parenthesis for the if statement that it's nested inside. Let's go ahead and build that out. So I'm going to start with my first if statement, and I'm going to say, just like our other example, if this cell is equal to the text raining, then I'm going to wear my rain jacket. If it's false, then I'm going to have another if statement. So if it's false, then if this temperature is greater than 60 degrees, then I'm going to wear my t-shirt. And if it's less than 60 degrees, then I'm going to wear a sweater. Then I'll close that if statement, close the outside if statement, and hit enter. So now it's raining, so the temperature doesn't matter. I'm going to wear my rain jacket anyways. But if I go up here and it's sunny, now since it's cold, I'm going to wear my sweater. If I warm it up to 80 degrees, I'll wear my t-shirt.